Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so guys, today was a very bad day for holders, whoever were holding their bank nifty or nifty positions, because market had a huge gap down today. If you see that is a 2 point in nifty, and actually it was 8 point on bank nifty. From morning's time it was a huge gap down. Okay, which is totally fine, and this gap down is because of bad results of HDFC Bank, because HDFC Bank is holding 40% of weightage in bank nifty, and that is the reason behind it. Because of the performance was bad and the stock got affected, and bank nifty fell. That's it. Okay, and the another reason behind this fall is simply because in global, if you see globally, many profit booking has happened yesterday, and that was another reason. So both had showed impact here. That's it. That doesn't mean that market is negative. We have to wait and see for the price action, only then we will be able to trade it. Okay, so basically what I do in this kind of scenario is I wait for 1 or 2 days and then only trade it. So I already told in this level, that is in this level I'm expecting it to be sideways, but this was a huge gap down. It's totally fine. This kind of gap downs, gap ups keep happening in the market. You have to survive all this, only then you'll be able to become a trader. Okay, so what are my actions for tomorrow is, if you guys see, this did not recover. Okay, it directly came down. So tomorrow, there I am expecting a small pullback or a small move from here. Only then if it breaks down, I'll be looking forward to sell it, and I won't be selling aggressively. I'll be selling very small, because there are a lot of supports in many places, so it all be to be respected. So tomorrow, if Nifty crosses below 21,500 and below, I will be looking forward to short it, but not aggressively, and my buying position will be only about 21,800. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow Nifty. Next is bank nifty. Bank nifty, if you guys see, these are the current levels. These are the support and resistance in 1 hour time frame. This is a gap which has filled, so maybe it might open flat and might go up and then come down, or because of this it might even gap down tomorrow. If it gaps down and if it crosses 45,650 and below, I will be looking forward to sell it. Before that, I'm not selling anything. Okay, but it might become volatile tomorrow. Market might go volatile, it might try going up, try going down. This kind of scenario might happen because this big of move has happened. So that's it for Nifty and bank nifty. Next is US oil. US oil, I shorted it here yesterday at 11:30 something. I had a good opportunity, so I shorted it here after the 1:7 trade. This was a very good trade for me. I've shorted it and still I'm holding it. This is also a 1:7 trade already. If you guys see, this is also 1:7 trade. Back-to-back victories. See, some days it will be back-to-back losses, some days it will be back-to-back victories, but make sure the victories are bigger than the losses. Okay, and I added one more lot here, seeing this pullback. Okay, you see this trend has been broken in 1 hour time frame. I'll show you in 4 hour time frame. This was a trend line which was broken and then pull back, and it's falling down. Okay, so from here it might reverse. Okay, so let's not expect to hold it more than $70.30. Okay, so I have shorted it from $72. This I will book it now. I will be booking this exactly at $70.30. Okay, so this is for US oil. US oil, I'm not looking forward to buy. If it breaches below $70.10, then I'll be selling it again. Okay, aggressive sell. If there is a gap, I'll be aggressively selling it, but I don't. Yeah, there is a huge gap, so I might go aggressive here. Post $70 and $70.30 and below, I might be selling it aggressively. Okay, but these are some very important levels for that. That is $69.30 and $67.80 are few important levels for US oil. So let's see how the market is going and we'll trade accordingly. Okay, next is gold. Gold, we've already shorted it here yesterday. We are still holding it, which is really good. It is, see this, if this is broken again, we will short it aggressively. Okay, this is broken now. Okay, if you guys see, this has been broken, so we have another opportunity to short it. So here we will short, but here stop loss is kind of big. but the target is also pretty big. This is the target. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. You see immediately it came up, so always wait for the candle close. There is 3 more minutes, so 3 more minutes it should close down below this level. It should close, only then we'll short it, nothing before that. And there is a high probability for us to move the stop loss too. So wait for this candle to close. If it closes at 20 below 2020, I will be looking forward to short it. Okay, 2020 I want a strong close, only then I'll be shorting it, or I'll be holding the same position, because taking a small stop loss hit, even this profit will be eroded here, so that is kind of a risk. So this is for gold, and I have only 2 stocks for swing trading, and these are the stocks which I bought. This gap up, okay, this got gap up and it came, now it's again positive. So Tech Mahindra is where I have entered now. I've entered with a good quantity. Let's see, most probably I might hold this for a long time. There are huge possibilities for it to go till 1570 rupees or 1520 rupees. There is a huge probability. Next is Voltas. Voltas also I have bought it today because it has survived this weekly time frames. If you guys see, it has survived. It did not surpass this. It has survived. So I have entered here. My stop loss is at 1010 in Voltas. In Tech Mahindra, I have entered at 1325, and my stop loss is at 1295. And in Voltas, my entry is at 1055, and my stop loss is at 1011. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information. This is just my view on market, how I'm gonna trade it, and what are my plans for tomorrow. Keep trading, learn trading. It is a very important skill which will help you make money being in your own place. Start slow but learn. If there is any doubt, please comment, and please like, share and subscribe if you like my content. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.